It's Lori Wynn, your personal wardrobe consultant and owner of Fashion with Flair. In your wardrobe, you need to have confidence items. Those pieces that you look great in every time and you exude confidence when you wear them. One of those in my own personal wardrobe is a maxi dress from London Times. I've had it for years, and yet every time I wear it, I feel fantastic in it. I've worn it on cruises, to casual weddings, and tonight I'm wearing it to an outdoor business networking event in hot Atlanta. I will feel as comfortable as if I'm wearing a nightgown, but I will also be business appropriate. So I suggest you find confidence pieces such as a maxi dress to have in your wardrobe and post pictures of them on my blog. I'd love to see what you find out there. Have a great day.